be able to see how many people are watching from my phone?
Yeah.
I know I can see when the comments pop up. You got a certain number of people you want in there? I mean, I could just kind of wait 10 minutes. It's not like we're in any kind of hurry. These people might be, but...
I'd wait an extra 5.
Yeah, check.
I'm going to post in the group in a second about the one team. So.
Justin's watching. Hello, Justin. Got 7 in here. Post something in the group. You want me to say something?
I'm going to right now.
All right. You could always buy it, and I could just pull a checkerboard LeBron base out.
Yeah, get lucky like that. So we'll give it a couple more minutes. See if we get a couple more people.
Yeah, wait for a few more to file in. We did have one not pay for the Lakers, so trying to get that one sold real quick, then we can get to breaking. Show everyone what we're looking for in here while we're waiting for that last team. Pretty much just hollow and purple of the inserts. Get a hollow or a checkerboard of the base cards. And then the hyper pinks, obviously. says look for autographs from the game's biggest names, but I have yet to see any in any of the breaks I've seen or done, so
Tell Brian thank you, he bought the Lakers.
maybe one day. Brian, we appreciate it for you picking up those Lakers. It's the only one that didn't pay. Mighty white of you, sir. Seen in here now. As soon as Brian gets paid up, probably be able to start. Did you see Regis died, dude? He's gone. I think he's like 85 or something. Sad times.
Yeah.
You mad refreshing over there?
Yeah, give me 1 second.
You're good. Just waiting for the last payment, and then we'll get started for you, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh, go ahead, you can start. I said
All right. Well, thanks for everyone for buying into this break. Got our last payment and got a decent amount of people here. Probably good enough to start breaking. We'll also be uploading this video on YouTube at the end for anyone who wants to watch it there, or if you miss it here. Got our 2 pink hyper packs. And our 8 normal. All right. Let's see what we got. We got Tim Hardaway Jr., a Jimmy Butler Hollow Fantasy Stars. We have, Hollow Paul George for the Clippers. It's a nice little base right there. Nice. And DeAndre Jordan for the Nets. All right. Get you sleeved up real quick. Actually, we'll top load you as well. Not bad for the first pack. All right, let's keep that rolling. We got Drew Holiday, Danny Green for the Lakers. We got Giannis, Fantasy Stars, just the regular base of that one. And I don't know why all these last cards are upside down. We got Carson Edwards, another rated rookie. Oh, actually, that's our first rated rookie. Kent Bazemore for Portland. Magic Johnson for the Lakers. We got Express Lane Hollow insert. Go ahead, sleeve that one up after. We got Splash Steph, just the base insert. And upside down again, LaMarcus Aldridge. Sleeve up Magic colored insert real quick. Probably just gonna sleeve up all the colored inserts, to be honest. Ugh. Alright. So hard box open. We got Eric Bledsoe for the Bucks. Fred VanVleet for the Raptors. Another splash, purple splash of Russell Westbrook for a nice little insert. And we'll just flip this one. Rated rookie, Bol. Bol's actually kind of popping right now. Sleeve both of those up. Nice. Quite a bit of color on these inserts so far. Buddy Hield, Sacramento. Aaron Gordon. Winner stays Shaquille O'Neal, base insert. And Isaiah Thomas for the Wizards. We'll actually put you here and you here as well. All right, we got 2 of the regular packs for the first box, and then our 2 hyper pink parallel boxes or packs. Struggle is real on this box. We got Lou Will, Clippers. The Beard for the Rockets. Another colored insert. Ooh. A little more Steph Love. That is a purple Fantasy Stars. And Isaiah Roby for the Mavs. I gotta readjust my gloves after this one. All right, last 2 regular packs. Mitchell Robinson for the Knicks. Montrezl Harrell for the Clippers. We got My House, Dame Lillard, base insert. And I hate how all these are upside down. Alexander Walker for the Pelicans. Not the one we're looking for, but still rated rookie. Nikhil. Last regular pack from the first box. Bogdan Bogdanovic. Ben Simmons. Ooh, another hollow Jonas Valanciunas. Got the Grizzlies, a little bit of love for them. And DeMar DeRozan for our last one. It's always sad when you don't see a rated rookie on the back. 2 hollows so far, not too bad. Not the best hollow bases to find, but better than nothing. Sure, Memphis would have preferred Ja. All right, on to our first 2 Hyper Pink parallel packs. Now they say Ja and Zion run together on these, and I've seen no less than 5 videos where they found both of them in one box. So hopefully we can get lucky as well. Got Miles Bridges, Brook Lopez for the Bucks, Mike Conley for the Jazz, DeMar for the Spurs, and we got a rookie on the back. We do. Carson Edwards for the Celtics. Need to work on my sleeving. Last pink parallel pack for the first box. Got Dame Dollar on the front. Josh Richardson. LaMarcus Aldridge. Rated rookie. Bol. Not too bad. Get you in a sleeve here in a second. And Isaiah Thomas again. A lot of Isaiah in this box. All right. Grab my water real quick. Toss you in the middle as well. All right, getting down to the second box. All right, 1 hyper pink, 2 hyper pink, and our 8 regulars. Let's get right into it. Anthony Davis for the Lakers. Willie Cauley-Stein. Another Lakers. LeBron James at T-minus 321. Sleeve you up. And our rated rookie, Taco Fall. Getting a lot of height in the rated rookies. We'll sleeve up LeBron too. Will Barton for the Nuggets. Derek Favors. Got more Lakers. James Worthy, winter stays. And Mikal Bridges. Kemba Walker. Ooh. There we go. A Luka My House hollow. Nice little insert. Get you sleeved up here in a second. Lou Will Express Lane. And rated rookie Jordan Poole. Nice. All right, sleeve you two up. Nice looking Luka. Move you over here. Mike Conley for the Jazz. A hollow T-321 Cat. Ooh, another hollow Alonzo Ball for the Pelicans. It's not too bad. Another rated rookie, Sekou. Ooh. Oh, it's Sekou's hair. It was throwing me off. Nice, not too bad. Got a Sekou and Alonzo. Hollow base. Decent little pack. Fifth pack of this box. I got Dame Dollar. We got Josh Richardson for the 76ers. Ooh, purple splash of Kawhi. It's not too shabby. And no rookie, we got Bradley Beal. It's a nice little Kawhi. Brandon Ingram for the Pelicans. Another hollow. Kyle Kuzma for the Lakers. Rated rookie. Tyler Herro. Hollow base. Not too bad at all. He'll be happy with that one. And Jalen Newell. Another rated rookie. Sleeve these gents. It's a lot of hollow for these first two boxes. I think it's 4 hollow base we found now. Not too shabby. Nice. Two packs left in our first box. And then on to the Hyper Pink. Ugh. We got Pau Gasol, Portland. Wendell Carter Jr. for the Bulls. A Fantasy Stars Nikola Vucevic. And no rated rookie, Colin Sexton for the Cavs. Okay. Got DeLon Wright for the Mavs. Zach LaVine. We got a hollow Express Lane Kemba Walker. I think it's hollow, maybe purple. And Joe Harris for the Nets. A little color for the Celtics. That's good. That's good. All right, on to the two Hyper Pink packs for this box. Pascal Siakam. Man, it's carrying the Raptors. Jabari Parker. John Wall. Got rated rookie. Ooh, there we go. Nice little Ja. Hyper Pink. And DeJounte Murray. Okay. A little jaw sighting. It's always good. I love it. So now, if we're lucky, like a lot of the other breaks I'm seeing, this other pack right here, it's going to have your boy's eye on it. Congrats to the Grizzlies. get you out there, John. Ooh, you look unbalanced. All right, come on, Zion. Grace us with your presence right here. Ugh, this pack's hard. There's got to be a Zion in there, right? De'Aaron Fox for the Kings. Evan Fournier for the Magic. Rated rookie. Oh, it's true. They run together. They're best of friends. We got our hyper pink parallel Zion Williamson. Congrats to the Pelicans. We'll take a break and sleeve you up. Very nice. No, Ja, no. Don't do it. All right. Last two hyper pinks would be Kyrie and another rated rookie. Ooh, Tyler Herro. Not too shabby. Heat having a decent pull. All right, well, not too bad so far. First two boxes have been pretty nice. A little bit of heat. Let's keep that rolling. Let's get into the third. I'll probably have to move some of these base and regular ones out of the way. Getting a little full up. All right. All right, let's do it. Third box. These gloves keep sliding.
Been any Rui yet? Rui?
No Rui Hachimura yet, unfortunately. No Kobe White yet. No RJ Barrett yet. But a decent amount of hollow base vets. Got the hollow Tyler Herro, Ja, Zion. Spread the love a little bit from here. All right, we got our two hyper pinks. We'll set those aside. And 1, 2, 3, 4, our 8 regular packs. Let's get into it. We got Zubats for the Clippers. Let's move these up a little bit. Steph for the Warriors. DeMar, My House, base insert. And Rudy Gay for the Spurs. Gary Harris, Nuggets. Ooh, Splash, Trey Young, not too shabby. It's the hollow version. Sleeve you up here in a second. D'Angelo Russell, Express Lane. It's the base of it. And rated rookie, Jackson Hayes. A little more Pelican love. This box is being a pain. Nikola Jokic, the Joker. Got some more hollow. Kawhi Leonard. Fantasy Stars. Ooh, another hollow base. Jabari Parker. Atlanta Hawks. And rated rookie is Tyler Hero again. I must leave all three of those. A lot of hollow base today. That's what you like to see. Just need to pull that checkerboard now. I'd like to see it of better players, but beggars can't be choosers sometimes, you know? Sleeve up Hero. We'll sleeve up our colored Kawhi insert. Hollow. We got Draymond, Joel, Larry Bird, winner stays, base insert, and rated rookie Kobe White. Happy to see that. Get the Bulls a little love. I'd like to see an RJ and Rui sighting as well. Get everybody a little bit of love. Nice Kobe White. Where did this cat come from? Pulled it earlier, never sleeved him. We got Nicholas Batum, Giannis, base. Got splash of James Harden, base, and no rated rookie, Dennis Schroeder.
Anthony's looking for a Giannis auto. If you can pull one of those for him.
A Giannis? We pulled a base Giannis, but...
I was looking for an auto.
Oh, an auto, yeah. No problem. I think it's in that box, if I remember correctly. Yeah, it says there's supposed to be autos in here, but... Hey, if I get a Giannis auto, I'll be happy for you, man. I'll just be happy to see that sucker. Chris Dunn for the Bulls. Alan Crabb. We got a purple splash of Devin Booker. I like Devin Booker. Steven Adams. Is that 2 packs in a row with no rated rookie? Kind of booty. I'll take purple splash, though. Not too shabby. All right. I'm feeling a LeBron coming up soon. I'm feeling it. Man, some of these packs are just brutal today. We got Joe Ingles for the Jazz. We got Enes Kanter. Another hollow. Rudy Gay for the Spurs. So many base hollows in these boxes. Rated rookie, Cam Johnson. Couple good packs for the Suns in a row. Nice. What is on that sleeve? Cam Johnson. Last pack from our third box before we get to the Hyper Pinks. Dennis Smith Jr., Jimmy Buckets, a hollow Paul Pierce, ooh, actually purple Paul Pierce winner stays. Decent little card for the Celtics. Justin Holiday. Not many rated rookies in that box as far as the regular packs. they were saving them all for these hyper pink packs right here. I don't know why these gloves are sliding down so much shit. Montrezl Harrell. We got Bogdanovich. Ben Simmons. Jeff Teague. Rated rookie, Admiral Schofield for the Wizards. Tim Hardaway Jr. Mitchell Robinson for the Knicks. Got a rated rookie, Cam Reddish for the Hawks. Not too shabby. We got Reggie Jackson. And another rated rookie, Kevin Gale. Say his name.
Yeah, there's no way.
No, alright.
There's no way.
Get a sleeve on Cam as well. Some freaking dust. Alright, we got one box left. I think we've had some pretty decent hits for most of the teams. Trash can's filling up. It's a good sign. That's a good pack right there. He's hiding. Gonna open you last. Stop. Just chill, dude. Alright, last box of the break. Let's see if we can get a little more heat. It's been decent so far, but you always want more. Holy crap. We got Tobias Harris. Alex Len. Oh, kind of revealed that little guy already. We got LeBron and a purple winner stays. There we go, Lakers. I told you I felt a little LeBron coming. It's a nice one. Get you sleeved up here in a second. And Dario Saric for the Suns. Okay, LeBron. It's always good to see you. It's the purple version as well. Not too shabby. Get in there, turd. Nice.
You know what? They are right. It would go to the Cavs because that's what's on there.
Oh, yeah, 100% goes to the Cavs. I was not paying attention. Not for the Lakers. Sorry, Brian. Don't worry, we got another LeBron coming. Rudy Gobert. I can't even see comments on mine. I turned them off on accident. We got My House, Jarrett Culver. It's a hollow. We got the T-321. Kawhi. Okay, they're just flipping everything on me. Rated rookie of Matisse Thybulle. It's not like we're from the Cleveland area or anything. Probably should have been able to recognize the Cavs logo. All right. Bohan Bogdanovich. Got Kristaps Porzingis. The Unicorn. De'Aaron Fox, Express Lane. And a Demonis Sabonis. Not the best pack. Put my gloves down again because they're a little funky. It's a fun pack. Oh my gosh, just get out. Thank you. We got AD for the Lakers. Willie Cauley-Stein for the Warriors. Another hollow base of Derrick Rose.
Yeah, a lot of hollow base today.
A lot of hollow base today. Our rated rookie is Eric Pascal. Derrick Rose, man. What could have been if he didn't get injured? How do you not love Derrick Rose as a player? Pistons probably happy. That's what, like 6 or 7 freaking hollow bases now from these 4 boxes? Not too shabby. I didn't get any out of those first 2 we opened. Alright, we got 4 regular packs left and then 2 more hyper pink parallels. I'd still like to see a little Rui, a little RJ action. Get all the rookies some love. Got DeLon Wright, Zach Levine, got, Ja Morant, my house, just the base though, unfortunately. Still a nice little card. And Dylan Brooks. Three regular packs left. Good golly. These ones are being stubborn today. John Collins for the Hawks. Ben Simmons, Hollow Express Lane. We got Fantasy Stars Dame base. And rated rookie KZ Okpala. Throw you there. We'll sleeve these 2. So much sleeving. Maybe next time we just sleeve the rookies or the colored inserts and then do the rest after before we ship.
Yeah.
How long's the video going so far?
I'm sorry?
So how long is the video going so far?
About 40 minutes.
40 for 4 boxes? Yeah, we can cut that down. Sleeve a little less on camera. Start sleeving after for you guys. You guys probably got things to do. Lonzo Trier for the Knicks. Klay Thompson. We got Spurs, winter stays, Tony Parker. It's the base. And rated rookie RJ Barrett.
Nice.
There we go. A little love for the Knicks. Nice. Freaking glove ripped. We got Hassan Whiteside, Portland. DJ Augustine. We got Dame Lillard, my house, base. And Karl Anthony Towns. Last two packs are hyper pink parallels. Be nice to get another John Zion combo. Good way to end the break, I'd say. Wouldn't mind seeing Rui either. Or Steph, I guess. Got Steph Curry. Gary Harris. Cedi Osman. Rated rookie, Grant Williams. And Jaren Jackson Jr. I don't think we've seen any Kyle Guy. Normally see a lot of him. Or, who else? No Kendrick Nunn, no names. Samanich.
How'd the Mavs do?
We had the one Luka, I think it was a colored insert.
Yeah, we did have a cover of Luka.
But other than that, there wasn't too much as far as hits. Harrison Barnes, Raja Rondo, Russell Westbrook. It's weird seeing that man with hair. Thomas Bryant for the Wizards, and rated rookie, no name Kendrick Nunn. We were just talking about you, bud. Heat hit pretty good. Quite a few Hero. I think there was the pink parallel.
All three of them.
Yeah.
Parallel, hollow.
Two of the Hero, and then Kendrick Nunn. All right.
Since it's our first break, let's do a solo too. Let's add that over there.
Go back through these real quick. Purple winter stays for the Cavs. Just tons of hollow base in those packs. There's your Hero. Lonzo Ball, that could be a nice one. Ooh, there's the Luka, but he's not in a top loader for some reason. We'll get you in there right now. And then Jonas and Paul George for our decent hits. And obviously we got John Zion up there. But my brother said for our first break, since it's there, we're going to go ahead and toss in a free Mosaic Cello pack as well. Just to say we appreciate you guys coming in and purchasing your teams. It's a lot of fun for us. So here we go. Here's our free Mosaic Cello pack. We're going to go ahead and toss in here. Ugh. And do our pink camos last. Ooh, Zion looks so pretty on the front of these. Thomas Bryant for the Wizards. We got Korkmaz. Just call him that. Furkan Korkmaz. Got Dwight Howard. NBA debut on the back. Jeez. Derek White. Ooh, Paul Millsap hollow for the Nuggets. And our NBA debut is PJ Washington Jr. All right, not too shabby. Get you guys in some sleeves. Or just miss the sleeve, either way. Nice. Ugh. Some beaster pack. Got Caleb, Wesley Matthews, a little hollow coming up, Andrew Wiggins. Got the Mosaic Julius Randle for the Knicks. Got game of Kawhi. And rated rookie Darius Baisley.
They're not rated rookies in this one.
What's that?
They're not rated rookies in this one.
Well, rookie card. This is true. There's NBA debut and the rookie cards. And our last pack will be our pink camo. Let's see what we got. My gosh. My glove being ripped right on the thumb is not working out. We got Patty Mills, Thomas Bryant, and Bol for the Nuggets. Not too shabby. Some pretty cards. All right, that's gonna do it for this break. When stuff getting shipped out tomorrow?
Yeah.
Everything will be shipped out tomorrow. We appreciate you guys buying, and join us for the next one. Peace.